Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. Out of Palatine, Illinois. Just want to introduce you another beautiful new arrival. Came directly from Japan. Been imported like few days ago. Super nice and clean. 1998 Toyota Celica with 125,000 miles or 125,000 kilometers, which is 78,000 miles. Beautiful looking coupe in a great shape. Very nice and clean body. Tinted windows, alloy wheels, nice tires, rear spoiler. It runs and drives great. It's been detailed and inspected, guys. Front row ready unit, fresh oil in it. 78,000 miles, guys, for 1998. Very well kept and maintained. Timing belt has been done on it on 100,000 kilometers, 25,000 kilometers ago. It's ready to go. Let's take a peek inside. It is very nice and clean on the inside as well. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, gloss interior in a great shape, nice and clean, non-smoking. It's got Nismo steering wheel, automatic transmission. It's got aftermarket radio with AM, FM, CD, and Bluetooth. Let's take a peek on the odometer. As I said, it's got 125,000 kilometers, which is 78,000 miles. It's got actually front view camera on your rear view mirror. Nice and clean. Same as on the back seats. Nice and clean as well. Beautiful looking coupe, guys. 78,000 miles. Right-hand drive. Came directly from Japan. Well kept, well maintained. Let me open the hood for you so we can take a peek under the hood. It's got a bunch of kind of a service records with the stickers here, what's been done to it. But let me show you the main maintenance. It's a timing belt, alloy wheels, still nice tires. Let's open the hood, take a peek under the hood. Beautiful, rust free under the hood as well. Look at that, how clean it is. 1998 Toyota Celica. Look at this beautiful engine bay in a great shape, nice and clean. Here's the stickers for the timing belt, done on 100,000 kilometers, so it's ready to go. Right now it's got 125,000 kilometers, 78,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check all our imports from Japan on our website. Go to carcitychicago.com, click to JDM inventory specials, and you will find all these beautiful units coming directly from Japan, from our partners in Japan. We got sports cars, we got SUVs, we got minivans. So please check us out, carcitychicago.com. For Japanese inventory, click on JDM inventory special. That means Japanese domestic market inventory. Or for regular inventory, just go to carcitychicago.com. Financing is available. Yes, you can register it. These vehicles, Japanese vehicles with right-hand drive, no problem. You can drive them, no problem. It's absolutely legal. And if you guys gonna buy one from us, you're gonna get an Illinois title. All these beautiful units coming from Japan. Again, any questions, give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com. For more information, pictures, videos, and click on JDM special for Japanese inventory. Or please stop by. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois. And we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.